you can feel the welcoming environment, and all I can say is like I was feeling very comfortable being there. It felt like home. I've always been interested in filmmaking, and when I came to Canada, I just wanted to find a program that helps me find out what my strengths are, and media communications was the program because I would be able to try out every thing that I was interested in. I didn't really have expectations. To be honest, I was a little bit nervous because I come from Syria, I speak Arabic, and all the courses are in English. But I knew that the main concept is about creativity, and that's what I like. I mean, I like photography, I like filmmaking, I also like design. When I look at any design, I like it, but I wanted to learn how these things are made. What I loved about these projects was that I was able to express my own self, to talk about my background, to talk about my experience as a newcomer, and to tell people that there is always an opportunity. One main advantage of going to media communications program is that you learn so many skills. It's amazing that you have some experience in so many aspects of creativity. If I would describe my experience at Humber in one word, I would say it was inspiring. I remember the first day when I came to Humber, I was almost crying. It was very hard to me, but then the moment I went in and I started having the courses, it felt different, and I just fell in love with it. In Arabic, we have a saying, تجري الرياح بما لا تشتهي السفن. Like there are always obstacles in life, and you always go through struggles, but as long as you have the will, you have the determination, you can make it, and you can achieve what you want.
Hi, I'm Cathy Bidini, Program Coordinator for Media Communications at Humber. I just want to give a shout out to our exceptional students, now graduates of the Media Communications program, that not only starred in this video, but directed, filmed and edited the entire piece. This is a great testament of the wonderful work that our students do. If at any time you have any questions, concerns, or just want to talk about the program in more detail, feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, and we can chat. Thanks for watching.